Welcome, my name is Sabine Erlbacher. In this practical tip video, we'll give you some useful information about the lid on top-loader kilns. The lid of a top-loader is a critical component on the kiln. It should seal the firing chamber as well as possible. To do this, it must lie flat around the rim of the kiln. It gets its stability from the stainless steel strap and our torsion-resistant cover bolt. You'll promote the rigidity of your lid for many years if you follow our recommendations. Please don't place any objects or ware to be dried on the lid, as this will damage the brickwork. This becomes noticeable after a while. The bricks sag and can become unstable or break. Please keep the lid closed while it cools down. Many kiln owners support cooling by clamping a 2 cm support or a block between the top layer of bricks and the lid. This means the total weight of the lid is over 2 square centimeters and pushes the bricks upwards within the stainless steel band. As a result, dust from the loose bricks falls onto the ware as the bricks rub against each other. Please ensure that you always close the lid slowly. If the lid hits the top layer of bricks, cracks can form in the lid bricks, which will grow with continued use. The bricks can crumble, and these crumbs may end up on your glazed objects in the gloss firing, burn themselves in, and have a significant effect on the surface appearance of your ceramics. Thank you very much for watching. We hope to see you again for the next ROHDE Practical Tip video. Enjoy your ceramic results.